Alright, we're in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and I'm going to show you how to get to the Somaliland embassy, which is difficult to find sometimes. They recently moved it. It's in kind of a difficult to find location, so I'm here on Djibouti Avenue. Djibouti Avenue is one of the main thoroughfares of the Bole area of Addis. And if you go up this way on Djibouti Avenue, you hit Haile Selassie Street, and down this way you'll hit Mickey Leland Street and the Trinity Hotel. What you want to find though on Djibouti is this street. It doesn't really have a name in English. Some maps are showing it as Guest House Street, but the locals don't really know it as that. I asked about 20 people and they weren't really sure what Guest House Street was. So look for this street at the intersection of Djibouti. It's a dead end. You want to start going up the street north. The embassy, you're going to need your passport, obviously. You're going to need a passport-sized photograph, probably taken within the past 6 months. Also going to need a copy of the information page in your passport. They'll take that from you, so make sure you have a paper copy of that. And you're going to need $70 in cash. That's as of January 2016, so that could always go up. And that they gave me a month for the $70. I think that covers multiple entries, but you might want to ask them to make sure. So we're going up here. We're going to turn left at this street, and there's some signage that should help you. If you're coming the other way on this street, it's a lot easier. You just go all the way down and you'll see the signage. If you've gone all the way to Djibouti Street, you've gone too far. So when you get here to this street, you want to turn left, and you'll see a sign for the Somaliland embassy. And over here too in the Swaziland embassy. And you want to go down this street. Now if you're staying up here somewhere, you're staying at the Caravan Hotel or one of the guest houses up here, you'll be coming this way, so it'll be a lot easier to see the signage. And again, if you go to Djibouti Avenue, you've gone too far. So I'll go down here. There's some security guys here. They may have some questions. And there's a little turn in here on the left. That's the way you want to get to the embassy. Hey, showing my friends how to get to the embassy. Sometimes hard to find. So, see the sign here? And then we go down this street. Is it open today? Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thanks. Oh, it's okay. No, okay. No, okay. All right. Okay, we've had some rains lately, so a little wet down here. Thunderstorms yesterday. So they might ask you a few questions, just basic questions. You know, what are you doing in Somaliland? Where are you going to be going? What cities you're going to be staying in? So be prepared to answer those. Whole process will take you probably 15-20 minutes or so. And when you get to this gate on the left, that's it. So let's see if they're open. Well, nobody opening up now, but they told me it was open. Anyway, you go in there. That's the Somaliland flag there. And again, 15 to 20 minutes, you should have your visa. Safe travels. Oh, hold on. Okay, just take a picture in here real quick. Showing people how to get to the embassy. It's okay. That's okay. I show them. Oh, it's outside's okay. Yeah. So that's the embassy. Safe travels. Enjoy Somaliland.